Do you love fashion and want to express yourself through your outfits? Do you want to look stylish and confident in any situation? Do you want to impress others with your sense of taste and creativity? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you might be a fashionista. In this video, we will show you how to be a fashionista as a MTF crossdresser. We will give you some practical tips on how to dress for your body type, accessorize your outfits, and shop smartly. By following these tips, you will be able to create stunning looks that reflect who you are and what you love. Becoming a fashionista is dressing for your body type. Your body type is the shape of your body based on the proportions of your bust, waist, and hips. Dressing for your body type can help you create a flattering and feminine silhouette that enhances your best features and hides your flaws. There are many ways to classify body types, but one of the most common ones is based on geometric shapes: hourglass, pear, apple, inverted triangle, rectangle, etc. Here are some tips on how to dress for each body type. Hourglass. This body type has a well-defined waist and balanced bust and hips. The goal is to highlight the curves and maintain the proportion. Some tips are: wear fitted clothes that hug your curves, wear belts or sashes to accentuate your waist, wear V-necklines or scoop necklines to show off your bust, avoid baggy or shapeless clothes that hide your figure. Pear. This body type has a smaller bust and a larger hips. The goal is to balance the upper and lower body and draw attention to the waist. Some tips are: wear bright or embellished tops that add volume to your bust, wear dark or plain bottoms that slim down your hips, wear A-line skirts or flared pants that skim over your hips, avoid tight or tapered bottoms that emphasize your hips. Apple. This body type has a larger bust and a smaller hips. The goal is to balance the upper and lower body and create the illusion of a waist. Some tips are: wear loose or flowy tops that cover your bust and create a vertical line, wear fitted or structured bottoms that show off your hips, wear belts or peplums that create a waist, avoid high or round necklines that make your bust look bigger. Inverted triangle. This body type has a larger bust and a smaller hips. The goal is to balance the upper and lower body and draw attention to the legs. Some tips are: wear dark or plain tops that slim down your bust, wear bright or embellished bottoms that add volume to your hips, wear skirts or shorts that show off your legs, avoid padded or puffy shoulders that make your bust look wider. Rectangle. This body type has a straight and slender figure with no defined curves. The goal is to create some curves and define the waist. Some tips are: wear tops and bottoms that have ruffles, frills, pleats, or prints that add some shape, wear belts or sashes that cinch your waist, wear wrap dresses or tops that create a V-shape, avoid straight or boxy clothes that make you look flat. Another step to becoming a fashionista is accessorizing your outfits. Accessories are items that you wear or carry to complement or enhance your clothes, such as shoes, bags, jewelry, scarves, hats, etc. Accessories can add interest, variety, and polish to your outfits. They can also help you express your personality and mood. Accessories are essential for any fashionista, but they can also be tricky to choose and match. You might wonder how many accessories to wear, what colors and textures to pick, what sizes and shapes to balance, etc. Here are some tips on how to accessorize. Have some essential accessories. There are some accessories that every fashionista should have in their wardrobe, as they can go with almost any outfit and occasion. Some of these accessories are: a pair of black pumps, a neutral tote bag, a pair of stud earrings, a simple necklace, a silk scarf, and a fedora hat. These accessories can help you complete any look and make you look chic and classy. Mix and match accessories. One of the fun parts of accessorizing is mixing and matching different accessories to create different looks. You can mix and match accessories based on their colors, textures, sizes, shapes, styles, etc. For example, you can mix a colorful necklace with a plain top, a textured bag with a smooth dress, a large ring with a small bracelet, a round hat with a square bag, etc. You can also mix different styles of accessories, such as classic with trendy, casual with glam, etc. The key is to balance the elements and create some contrast and harmony. Follow the rule of 3. A general rule of thumb for accessorizing is to follow the rule of 3. This means that you should wear no more than 3 accessories at a time. This can help you avoid over-accessorizing and looking cluttered or tacky. For example, if you wear earrings, a necklace, and a bracelet, then you don't need to wear a ring or a watch. If you wear a scarf, a hat, and a bag, then you don't need to wear sunglasses or gloves. Of course, this rule is not strict and can be broken depending on the situation and your preference. The next step to becoming a fashionista is shopping smartly. Shopping smartly means buying clothes and accessories that are worth your money, time, and space. Shopping smartly can help you build a versatile and stylish wardrobe that suits your needs and goals. Shopping smartly can be challenging because there are so many options out there. You might feel tempted to buy everything you see or like without thinking twice. You might also feel pressured to buy things that are not right for you or that you don't need. But remember that shopping smartly is not only good for your wallet but also for your wardrobe and your well-being. Here are some tips on how to shop smartly. Set a budget. One of the first things you should do before shopping is setting a budget. A budget is the amount of money you are willing and able to spend on clothes and accessories. Setting a budget can help you control your spending and avoid overspending or underspending. You can set a monthly or yearly budget depending on your income and expenses. You can also set aside some money for special occasions or emergencies. Check reviews. A third thing you should do before shopping is checking reviews. Reviews are the opinions or feedbacks of other customers who have bought the same or similar items that you are interested in. Checking reviews can help you get an idea of the quality, fit, durability, and appearance of the items. You can check reviews online or offline, such as on websites, blogs, social media, magazines, etc. You can also ask for recommendations from your friends, family, or influencers. Compare prices. A fourth thing you should do before shopping is comparing prices. Prices are the amounts of money that different sellers charge for the same or similar items. Comparing prices can help you find the best deals and save money. You can compare prices online or offline, such as on websites, apps, catalogs, flyers, etc. You can also use coupons, discounts, sales, or rewards to lower the prices. Shop online and offline. A fifth thing you should do when shopping is shopping online and offline. Shopping online means buying clothes and accessories from websites or apps using your computer or smartphone. Shopping offline means buying clothes and accessories from physical stores or markets using your cash or card. Shopping online and offline can have different advantages and disadvantages, such as convenience, variety, price, quality, etc. You can shop online and offline depending on your preference, availability, and situation. Being a fashionista as a MTF Crossdresser can be a rewarding and fun experience. You can enhance your feminine appearance and feel more comfortable in your own skin. You can express your personality and individuality through your outfits. You can boost your self-esteem and confidence by looking good and feeling good. We hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new and useful. We encourage you to experiment with different styles and have fun with fashion. Remember that fashion is not a rule book but a playground. We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.